Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rye coming at you with another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button before you leave so you'll be up to date on all my videos. So guys, today we are taking 7 of my favorite products and we're going to be making a look out of it. Now why 7? Why not? But 7 is my favorite number. So that's why we're going to do 7 things. Plus I have a lot of makeup, but these are my 7 favorite products and I use them on a day-to-day basis. So we're going to use 7 of them and we're going to make a look out of it. So before I get started, I am happy to announce that I am officially engaged to my boyfriend, now fiance, of almost 5 years. So he proposed to me. I'm super excited. If you guys want to hear the story on how my fiance proposed to me, comment below and I will definitely do a story time on how Steve proposed to me. It was beautiful. But I just want to get that out of the way. Make sure you comment down below if you want to know how Steve proposed to me because it was beautiful. This is my ring. It's so sparkly and it's so me. But I just want to get that out of the way. Make sure you comment below if you want to hear a story time on how Steve proposed because I would love to show you guys that. But now on to the actual video. So we're going to be taking 7 of my favorite products and we're going to be making a look out of it. I'm super excited to show you guys and let's just get started. I'm also using 2 brushes and a handy dandy mirror. Alright guys, so I'm going to be starting out with the Laura Geller Sparkling Mist. I'm going to spray it all over. By the way guys, I'm going to be leaving everything I'm using in the description box if you guys want to go get it off Amazon or wherever I can find it. I'm going to be leaving it in the description box below on everything I'm using if you guys want to do this look at home. So we're going to start off with that. It smells really good. It smells like coconut. I absolutely love this. I got one of them from my Ipsy bag and the other one I bought off Amazon. Not sponsored. And then I'm going to be using this concealer in the color Light. You're probably like, you didn't look down. I know the color already. Just paint it on like a 2 or 3 year old. How do I look? Just kidding. And then I'm going to be taking my all-time favorite cover up. This is the only cover up I use. And it's in the color Woke Up Like This and the number 40. 040. This is my perfect shade. I actually just ordered some more offline and I'm super excited to get it from offline. So you're probably wondering what brush I'm using. I'm using an angle contour brush just because for me I feel like it works better and I have more movement to it, so we're gonna blend it in. Okay, so they say a little bit goes a long way, but I'm gonna do more just because I don't feel like a little bit goes a long way. What about you guys? Because I really don't feel like a little bit goes a long way, especially with concealer and stuff. I hope you guys are all doing good. I hope you guys are back at school and work and you guys have been healthy and all that good stuff. I've just been working on my job and now I'm going to be planning a wedding, so woohoo! And obviously making videos for you guys. So see what I mean about this brush? Like I like that I have more movement and look how easily it went on. So now I'm going to be taking my concealer and we're going to use this as a primer. I never knew that you could use concealer as primer, but obviously I guess you can. Alright, so the palette I'm going to be using is this one. And if you guys are wondering why, I'll show you guys why. Oh, look at all these gorgeous colors that I get to pick from them. This is my favorite palette because all the colors are nice and bright, they're sparkly, and as you can see I use it a lot. So this is like my favorite palette out of all the palettes I have. I'm going to be taking my brush don't ask me what kind of brush it is because I don't know. And normally I take 2 colors and I like mix them together because that's what I like to do. But today we're just gonna do like 1. So out of all these colors, they're all gorgeous in their own way. I'm going to be taking the middle one, #blessed, and I'm gonna just put that on my eyes because we're all blessed in one way or another, aren't we? So just, like I said, normally I do 2 colors, but I just wanted to do 1 today. Okay. If you're wondering why I like this palette, this is why. You see? That's why I like this palette. And then I'm going to do the other eye. The same thing I just did. Sometimes I get too much. So, nice and golden and toasted. And what do you guys think? You like it? I do. So the reason why I do my upper eye like up here is because my eyes sink in a little bit, if you guys notice. So I feel like you can see the color if I put it back up on my brows. That's why I do it. My family's my eyes sink in. Okay guys, so now we're gonna be doing my brows. So the pencil that I use for my brows is this one. And it's a dual brow. So it has this, and then on the other side it has the actual pencil. So the reason why I like this is because obviously it's dual, so there's like a brush and the pencil, but it blends into my eyes my brows pretty well. So what I do is I take the brow brush and a brush, and then I take that liner. You see how thin this liner is? And I don't do like up here, I just do over here. And I just like do the tips of, see, like that. And then I take my, ooh, don't want to break it. I take my brush and I just blend. Blend, 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 blend. I go up and then inward. And that's really it for my brows. I mean, my brows don't really need much done. So I'm very, very happy about that. Okay guys, so next we are taking this bad boy. And this is a liquid and a pencil. So I like this eyeliner because 1, it's dual, so it has 2 sides. And 2, I love the eyeliner. It goes on so smoothly. Look at this point. It's like, oh my god, yes. And it goes on like a paintbrush. So I'll show you guys. You guys ready? So I'm just going to do the top of my eyes right now. It goes on so smoothly. So, not the most perfect line, but you see what I'm getting at. And that is why this is one of my favorite products. Because you see how smoothly it went on? I felt like I was painting my eyes on. Okay guys, so I use Thrive Mascara. None of this is sponsored. This is just me playing around with makeup with you guys, with you guys chilling with me. But I use Thrive Mascara. This is one of my favorite mascaras. I got Thrive through an Ipsy bag. I got pretty much all my makeup through Ipsy. And I like Thrive. I mean, you guys always ask me on my Instagram why I like Thrive. I will show you why. 1, I like Thrive because look at this brush. Okay? And then 2, I'm about to show you why I like the Thrive Mascara the best. Ready? Okay. See this eye? And you see this eye? Thrive lifts your lashes. Try saying that 10 times fast. Lift lash. It lifts your lashes and it makes you feel like you have more of a brighter eye. And that's what I really like about Thrive mascara, because I don't have that. My lashes are very skinny. So I love the way it lifts my lashes and it makes them look longer. A lot of L's, a little bit. So that's why I love Thrive mascara. Now, when I do my makeup for work, I don't use a lot of stuff on my face because I'm just going to work. But this Thrive mascara is always, always, always in my pocket or in my purse. I'm always using it. So, I'm going to do my bottom lashes. Ladies, do you do that face too when you do your mascara? Comment below if you do, because I feel like it doesn't do nothing for you, but it's just a habit that you do when you do your mascara. But comment down below if you do this face. Also, comment down below if you feel like it works, because I don't feel like it works. But it's just out of habit that I do it. Got a piece of hair. Okay. You see my Lovejoy's lashes? Alright guys, so the last product I'm going to be using is for under my waterline. And it is the same mascara I used for, the same eyeliner I used for my top. And I'm gonna just put it underneath here. I like this pencil too, because like I said before with the top, it's like a paintbrush. I'm barely putting any pressure. And it just feels all natural. So, alright guys, so this is a restoring mist. It's setting spray, and it's like a little bit, and it's like a setting spray. So I'm gonna set my face with this. And I told you guys why I liked some of the products. The reason I didn't tell you why I liked these two products. So I like this product because I never could find a cover-up that fit my face, because I'm so tan. So I could never find a foundation that fit my face. But I found one, and this bad boy is the one, and I'm super excited. And this is the only foundation I use. That's why this is my favorite. This is my favorite because I love the sponge, and again, it matches my skin tone, and I just feel like it goes with this. So that's why that's my favorite. Now, this is my favorite because of these gorgeous, gorgeous colors, and because of the sparkliness. So that's why this palette's my favorite. This is my favorite because I love the smell of it. It's a setting, restoring, and it's a setting, primer, and restoring. So that's why. And then I told you why these three are my favorites. So this was doing my makeup, a full face of makeup with only 7 of my favorite products from my makeup collection. So if you guys liked this video, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Guys, this channel means the world to me. You guys mean the world to me. So thank you guys for all the love and support. Comment down below if you guys want to hear story time on how Stevie and I got engaged. And I'll let you guys in on that. Sorry about all the ums. I will leave the description to all the goodies that I personally love in the description box if you guys want to go get yourself some. This video is not sponsored, but these are my 7 favorite products, and this is what I use on a day-to-day basis. The eyeshadow I don't use on a day-to-day basis, but these bad boys I do when I go to work. So that ends that. Like I said, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one.